Tianfei High-Tech Valve Company is a professional manufacturer of valves located in Tianjin High-Tech Industrial Park. Tianfei High-Tech Valve Company is a set of development, production, and marketing high-tech enterprises. Having been adhering to the philosophy of pursuing survival with quality, promoting development with technology, winning customers with services, we are able to rank at the top of the industry. Trustworthiness comes with professionalism. With consistent development of the past 11 years, Tianfei people, especially our talented R&D team, have accumulated valuable experience and extensive knowledge. Our productivity and inspection system are in completely accordance with the international standards. For example, the ISO 9001 Quality Management System. Our products have adopted certifications that are recognized by customers from all over the world. We have a number of utility model patents and have been rewarded the title of High-Tech Enterprise by Tianjin government for several times. We believe in keeping on improving our products, developing new products to lead the industry. For example, we have applied IoT technology by adding LoRa and NB-OT technology to our original valves to realize wireless control. Accept more than 50 products in our catalog. We also design and customize special product for different customers. For mini electric valve, we are able to achieve an annual output of 1 million and an annual turnover of 80 million. Our products have been widely used in intelligent home automation system, industrial automatic equipment, water treatment, residential building, petroleum HVAC system, environmental protection industry, firefighting system, etc. Client satisfaction has always been our ultimate goal. Thanks to the efficient and convenient logistics and transportation network, we can realize prompt delivery to our clients from all over the world. Our products have been exported to more than 120 countries around the world, with a growth of 40% per year. We promise caring, thoughtful, and complete pre-sale, sale, and post-sale service to every single customer, committed to sustainable development and persistent innovation. Tianfei people aim to providing our customers with more eco-friendly, energy-saving, energy-efficient motorized valve.